Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable mouse gestures and how to use them on Opera GX. And to do this, we'll need to click and open its settings, then scroll down. Right here, click on Advanced, scroll down to find the mouse gestures. Here it is in the shortcuts, enable mouse gestures, and you can you need to make sure that it's enabled to make it work. Here we can open any website. Let's try opening something new. Now to go back and use mouse gestures, you can go for the settings again, click on learn more to see all of the comments, and to trigger them, simply hold the right click and perform this action. So if you want to reload the page, we'll need to do something like this. Click and hold right click and do the spin, this. To go back, click on the right click and move to the left. Go forward, click on the right and move to the right. And that's basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.